Still remember that day when we met at the party. You were kind of fit. You came over talking to my friend. Then you turned to me and said hello. With your big blue eyes, you were so tall. I could see my fairy tale unfold. And I was like, someone told me what just happened. Think I found a piece of heaven. Never thought I'd meet someone like you. But you were shy and I was waiting since that day, anticipating till the day you finally make your move. Hey boy, listen up. I see you every day when you're staring. Boy, I've had enough. When you gonna see what you're missing? Can't you see? Are you that blind? Can't you read the signs? Boy, I'm fed up. I'm so fed up. So I saw you again yesterday, acting like you didn't know what you say. Then you disappeared without a trace. Boy, you stutter every time we speak. Make a move, come on, you're not that weak. How much longer will I